Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enter the microSD card at the Redmi 13. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. If you have put it back after inserting the SIM card, you should find it here in the box, and in that box is another box, and on the other side of the box you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it, and yeah, otherwise, by the way, if you cannot find it anymore, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having your phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray, and below the SIM tray you will find a little hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you can enter next to the main SIM card also a second SIM card, or in our case a microSD card. That means if you're having a second SIM card actually here on the SIM tray, you need to remove it to have more space for the microSD card, because it needs the full space here. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So it only fits like that, and the contacts, they are below. Okay, after, put your SIM tray back into the SIM slot, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question, and yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos like how to transfer now data from the internal storage to the SD card and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.